This is a video walkthrough tour of 2537 North 65th Street in Scottsdale, Arizona. By the end of this video, I hope you'll know whether this is a place you'd want to call home. Star Realty has been doing property management in Scottsdale, Arizona since we opened our doors in 2011. The front yard features easy-care desert landscaping, creating attractive curb appeal while keeping maintenance simple. This inviting 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom home offers comfortable Scottsdale living. Inside, you'll find beautiful wood-look plank flooring throughout the living areas, along with a bright and welcoming atmosphere. The kitchen is designed for everyday convenience, with plenty of cabinet storage and stainless steel appliances. A washer and dryer are also included, adding convenience to your daily routine. Outside, enjoy the Arizona sunshine from the covered backyard patio. It's the perfect spot for morning coffee, weekend gatherings, or relaxing after a long day. Whether you're enjoying the comfortable interior or spending time outdoors, this home offers a welcoming space to settle into. Here we have a hall bathroom fitted with a tub shower combination. The bedrooms are nice and spacious. They feature ceiling fans to help keep the home comfortable throughout the year. With a practical layout, stylish finishes, and plenty of space, this Scottsdale home has plenty to offer. So if you are interested in making this your home, please visit us at our website, leaseaz.com. You can view more photos of this home, make an appointment to view it at your own convenience, and you can apply for this home as well. Again, that's leaseaz.com. Come see why this could be the perfect place to call home. Schedule a showing today.